It's 2013, the year we celebrate 400 years of canals that run through the city like vital veins, always vibrant and full of life, with thousands of boats and 1,281 bridges. It's the year we mark 225 years of Felix Meritis, connecting cultures and ideas. A salute to free thinkers and free Wi-Fi, to early morning bike rides and the thousands of first kisses. In 2013, we celebrate 125 years of the Concertgebouw, its magnificent royal orchestra and the buzz of the city, the perfect soundtrack to life. It's 175 years of Artis Royal Zoo and all the party animals that own Amsterdam. When we toast Dutch-Russian friendship, the Hermitage, and friendship in general. It's the year we praise 100 years of the Frans Hals Museum and 40 years of the Van Gogh Museum. Our homage to old masters in the Rijksmuseum and new masters yet to be discovered. It's the year we celebrate our city's unique blend of art, history, beauty, and freedom. It's Amsterdam. Come celebrate.